Hello, everybody. Welcome back to DJ JoQ TV. My name is DJ JoQ, and today we are going to talk about how you can stream your DJ setup live on all social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and other streaming platforms with using your own phone to stream live with a quality sound. And don't forget, I will show you all the type of devices, the cables you need to stream your DJ setup live on all social media platform. My name is DJ JoQ.
Your host.
This is your DJ.
So like earlier, I told you I'm going to show you how you can stream your DJ set live on all social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and other streaming platforms with a quality sound coming out for your listeners or your viewers or your people to hear the quality sound coming out from your DJ setup. Right now, I am in the studios and I'm going to show you the type of device and the cables you need to stream your DJ sets live on all social media platforms. Number one, you have to make sure that your laptop, your DJ controller is already connected with your songs. And the next step is to know the device you can use to stream quality sound for your viewers or your people to know how you are doing your DJing. So number one, you need this device which is called iRig 2. iRig 2 is an audio interface which connects sound or music from your DJ controller through this device and directly into your phone. If you are using Android or iPhone, you can use this device called iRig 2 to stream your DJ set live on all social media platforms. Number two, you need a cable that can connect your DJ controller with this device. And here is the cable. That is phono to jack. Here is the jack and here is the phono. So right now, I am going to show you how you can stream your DJ sets live on all social media with a quality sound output. Let's go. Right now, I have this device which is the interface. That's iRig 2. You can find this device on Amazon or any music store to buy. So right now, here is the jack which is going directly onto my phone to stream. If I am using an iPhone, then I can connect another cable for this jack to connect with my iPhone. Okay, let's look at the back of the iRig. Here is the back of the iRig. So right now, I connect the jack with the RCA, or sometimes we call it phono to jack. So here is the jack. It goes directly into my iRig device. So here is going directly to my phone if I'm using an iPhone, or if I'm using Android phone or something, then I connect here directly to the phone with tripod or other device. So here is the first connection for the phone for live streaming. Then the second connection, which is the RCA, then that comes directly into my DJ controller output sound, or maybe the aux. So let me show you my DJ controller. Here is where I am going to insert this device called iRig with my phone. So here goes directly to my phone, and here comes directly from the output sound from my DJ controller. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Bless up. Peace.